Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Familia. In today's vlog, I'm gonna take you guys with me through a trail that leads from our house to many different other locations. But in this particular video that I'm sharing with you guys, it's gonna lead to Tim Hortons, Walmart, McDonald's, a few bus stops, a supermarket, and etc. So come on, let's go and start our walk. There are many trails all over Markham, Ontario. We use this trail very frequently. Sometimes we just go as a family together to Tim Hortons and get our coffee and just sit around. I personally use it a lot when I'm going to college because the bus stop, as I've said before, is very near and leads straight to it. If you go that way, it leads to a bridge which leads you straight to a park, but that's not where we are going today. This is such a cute spot to take your photos for the Instagram or Snapchat. I would definitely recommend taking cute photos over here. You can see so many fruits and so many beautiful flowers at this area. This trail is perfect for morning walks or morning runnings or even just cycling. we again came at a place where you can take two different pathways. The pathway we take is this one. As soon as you see the exit of the trail, the first thing you see is the back of a foodie mart, which is a supermarket. If you go left, then you can go towards the Walmart, McDonald's, bus stops, and if you go right, then you'll reach Tim Hortons. And here we are. I hope you liked our video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon. Bye!